Shroni Chakra, hip rotation. Base position. Sit with your legs extended in front of you, feet close together but not touching. Place the palms of the hands on the floor to the sides, just behind the buttocks. The back, neck and head should be comfortably straight. Straighten the elbows. Lean back slightly using your hands. Close the eyes. Relax the whole body. Bend the right leg and place the right foot as far up on the left thigh as possible. Place the right hand on top of the bent right knee. Hold the right foot with the left hand. This is the starting position. Using the muscles of the right arm, rotate the right knee in a circle, trying to make the circular movement as large as possible. The index finger may be pointed out and used as a guide to perfection of the circular movement. Practice 10 rotations clockwise and then 10 rotations anti-clockwise. Straighten the leg slowly. Unlocking procedure. To unlock the leg, slowly and carefully straighten the leg after completing the practice, then again, slowly and carefully bend it once, bringing the heel near the groin, then stretch the leg in front fully. This procedure will ensure that the knee joint is realigned correctly. Repeat with the left leg. Inhale on the upward movement. Exhale on the downward movement. Awareness on the rotation of the knee, ankle and hip joint, and the breath.